Welcome to Lock50. World first demo of unlocking keys without first having to open the key. World first shortest easiest. Time to renew JLR keys. Place locked key onto Lock50 HW01. Read your locked key. We'll see status is used. Click renew. This will reset key back to factory state and erase all previous vehicle data. Press YEs to proceed. Press lock button on key. All done. Simplicity in renewing original keys to reuse and resell, without breaking seals on PCB board. Thanks for watching. World first demo of unlocking keys without opening the key. World first and shortest. Time to renew JLR keys. 2010 to 2018. Coming soon 2018 to 23 support.